Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of a patty melt that I made. I was gonna get a patty melt from Whataburger, but I just said F it. I ended up making it on my own because I knew it was gonna be trash if I actually got it. So yeah, I just have some seasoned ground beef basically. With some Swiss cheese and also a Fiesta cheese as well. And I have mayo and mustard on it as well. The dang cheese is stuck to the bread, so yeah, I can't really show it today. Look awkward though, but yeah. And it's just some regular Mrs. Bird's bread. Yeah. Couldn't get the Texas toast today. Oh yeah, and I also will be drinking a Budlight Platinum. I put some chamoy and some Tajin on a cup as well, and I'm gonna be eating it while I'm drinking, I guess. I don't picky as heck. Basically how it's looking, but looks like dry, bland. That's a lot. Ooh. I really didn't think Budlight Platinum go with that Tajin chamoy, but it gives it a really good flavor. And it's like somewhat give it a sweet aftertaste, basically. Different. Drinking again. Dang, it's weird. Bread thick as heck. I hate when the bread be stuck in my teeth. Drink this. Okay, I have more storage on my phone, more than I knew. Yeah, get with a good spot. Salute. Whew, that's a good flavor. And the chamoy that I got, it's not like the traditional like Mexican kind or whatever. It's like the chamoy that you would actually find in a traditional Korean store, basically. I forgot my mom. I think when I had my surgery, my mom got a big bottle over here in my area, and it's like a whole bunch of different ethnic groups over here. It's like crazy. I've seen so many or whatever, and I don't really see. Well, it's a bunch of like Black Americans here or whatever, but it's like, well, it's some Black Americans over here or whatever. I think just probably a handful, but it's like Indians, Koreans, Jewish. It's just like different races over here. It's like weird. I wouldn't think some people would stay in this area, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm trying to get the heck out of here still. Dang. I'm trying to have some chips. Oh yeah, I forgot I do have those chips. Let me go get them right quick. Well, the other day I did a 7-Eleven run, and I got a whole bunch of stuff or whatever. And I got the Paqui hunted ghost pepper chip. So I'm about to see how this is. And I was thinking, since I don't have no fries or anything else basically go to the side that I want, I'm just gonna try this. So let's see how this is gonna taste as well. Yeah, maybe I should get on this. Yeah, let me pour some more of this just in case. Paqui hunted ghost pepper. Swell. Not that bad. Not that bad at all. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh. Yeah. Now that I drank the beer afterwards, it's kind of spicy now though. God dang. It doesn't necessarily burn my mouth, it's just burn my lips. It's like, what the heck? It's a kind of good flavor. But I don't want, I guess I'm gonna have to just chew it down because I don't want it to touch my lips. Not as bad as I thought it was. I wonder if it's the same thing as they do the one chip. I hear it's freaking hot. 100%. An instant amount of ghost peppers. Okay. The only thing it is burning my lips. That's the only thing. I don't think that's the same stuff from the one chip challenge, I don't think. One chip challenge. Let's see. 100 ghost pepper. Paqui one chip challenge versus Ghost. Somebody talking about it on Reddit. So let's see what they saying. Somebody said the one chip challenge is hotter, 20 times hotter than this. So I guess I'll have to try it one day. It's gonna be burning my lips up. I really wouldn't care. I'll just stuff it in my mouth. We'll put it in my mouth. That would be interesting. Oh, they're saying it's 20 times worse. Excuse me. Well, that's interesting. Guess I don't feel like Billy Badass. He say it's freaking hot on the bed because they freaking lied. It really tastes like the liquid version of Lucas. It's down on my lips. That's good. They actually have a good flavor. I guess if you're trying to compare it to the one chip challenges, it's a different thing or whatever. They saying on Reddit, well, some people saying that it's 20 times worse the one chip challenge is 20 times worse than this, so I want to try it. This is just burning my lips. Although the first chip was kind of giving spicy. I don't know. I guess I just thought my whole mouth was burning since my lips was burning. But now that I just see, it's just my lips. Yeah, I think I am done. I'm finished. Guess I will see you guys on the next video. Yeah. Have a great week. If I don't see you guys anytime sooner, well, hopefully sooner than later. Excuse me. But yeah, it's been a long weekend, and yeah, I don't even feel like going back to work. But see you guys on the next video. Later.